In a gas turbine unit, the gases flow through the turbine is 15 kg per second. So here he has given in this question the mass flow rate as 15 kg per second. The power developed by the turbine is given. The enthalpies of the gases at the inlet and outlet are. So H1 and H2 values are given. The velocities of gases at inlet and outlet, C1, C2 values are given. Now he is asking us to calculate the rate at which heat is rejected to the turbine is. Heat is rejected by the turbine we need to find, and here he has given power developed or work done in terms of kilowatts. Okay, that is first question, we need to find heat rejected in kilowatts. In the second question we need to find the area of the inlet pipe, given that the specific volume at inlet small v1 is given 0.45 meter cube per kg. In meter square you have to find. See, the second question you can easily calculate. Mass flow rate m dot is equal to area into velocity inlet by specific volume at inlet. So here mass flow rate is 15 kg per second. 15 is equal to area we need to determine into velocity at inlet. So C1 is 50 divided by specific volume is 0.45. So area A1 you are going to get here. So area is 0.135. So area is 0.135 meter square. So m dot into H1 plus C1 square by 2000 minus the amount of heat rejected. So this is equal to m dot into H2 plus C2 square by 2000 into plus the work output. Now we require heat rejected Q122 minus Q122 or Q122 if you want. So Q122 will be equal to m dot into H1 minus H2 plus C1 square minus C2 square by 2000 minus work done. So mass flow rate is 15 kg per second. H1 value is 1260 minus 400 plus C1 square. So C1 is 50 square minus 110 square by 2000 minus 12,000. So on solving this you should get the answer as minus 828 kilowatts. So heat lost here will be 828 or heat rejected is 828.